Hi, Gene. Nice to have you up here.
Hi, Henrik.
I'd like to ask you two questions.
Sure.
And the first one is, what was the most important thing you got out for yourself of these 2 days of training with Tom Best?
The most important thing I got from Tom Best. Tom was just, he knew his material.
Mm-hmm.
Is exquisite at, is a great teacher, had many examples and many stories.
Yeah.
And the part that he taught us was about advanced submodalities.
Mm-hmm.
And so his ability to teach that through the use of stories, through the use of examples, and through the use of his own personal examples also.
Yeah.
And in doing that, assisted us to be able to elicit and to explore our own submodalities in our own way.
Yeah, great. And what did impress you about the trainer himself, Tom Best, most?
About his congruency, about what he knew, and just the ease that he put the audience and the participants. Just his easy-going manner about him and his clarity with how he did things automatically put the participants and everybody else at ease. And I really appreciated about him. And he took his time. He didn't really rush it or go too fast.
Yeah.
He knew when to pace it to go fast, and he also knew when it was time to, just pull it back and slow down.
Yeah.
So I really appreciated that. And it definitely about the stories and his experience that he has as an anthropologist also.
Yeah, that keeps impressing me too.
Yes.
Thank you very much.